Namaste. Welcome to Sri Saraswati Vidyalaya News Bulletin. I am Ujjayasin, a 9th standard student of this school. First of all, let us have a gander at the international news. Sri Lanka lifts lockdown, retains curfew at night. Sri Lanka on Friday lifted a near 6-week lockdown to contain the spread of COVID-19, but maintained a night curfew and a ban on public gathering and parties. Iran begins war games near Azerbaijan border. The Iranian army's ground forces began holding maneuvers near the country's border with Azerbaijan on Friday, state media reported despite criticism from its neighbor. Now let us move on to the national news. Punjab CM urges PM to withdraw farm laws. At his first meeting with Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Friday, Punjab Chief Minister Charanjit Singh Chani urged him to end the deadlock with the agitating farmers by repealing the 3 farm laws and resuming talks. India-US to set up working group on defense industrial security. India and the United States have agreed in principles to establish a Indo-US industrial security joint working group, the Defense Ministry said on Friday. Now let us switch on to the state news. 3-day film festival opens today. The Culture Department will organize Gandhi Film Festival as part of Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav that marks the 75th anniversary of India's independence. Kerala University to put in place water supply scheme. Bringing an end to the drinking water woes on the Karyavattam campus, the University of Kerala is set to operationalize a 6 lakh litre water tank that will accumulate flow from traditional water resources. Now it is time for the sports buff. Smriti makes historic test memorable with maiden century. Rain wiped out a significant part of the second day's play after India opener Smriti Mandhana stole the limelight with a magnificent maiden test 100 in the historic Women's Day night match against Australia here on Friday. India in final. R. Vaishali provided the lead and Sania Sachdev finished the job for 2.5 to 1.5 victory in the second set as India upstaged third seed Georgia for a place in the final of the FIDE World Women's Team Chess Championship on Friday. In the other semi-final, top seed Russia defeated Ukraine.
J.R.D. Tata. The full name is Jahangir Ratanji Dadabhai Tata. He was a great businessman and aviation pioneer who created India's first airline and India's greatest industrial empire. He is the entrepreneur and chairman of Tata Group. Tata Group was one of India's largest business conglomerates. He was the first Indian who gained a commercial pilot license. In 1932, Tata established Tata Air Mail, a courier service connecting Karachi, Ahmedabad, Bombay and Madras. Later, he rebranded his air mail services and Tata Airline, making it India's first domestic carrier, and in 1946, he changed the rapidly growing company's name to Air India. Tata strengthened business such as steel, power and drove the group diversity its industry to include chemicals, automobiles, pharmaceuticals, financial services and information technology. In 1953, Air India was nationalized. Tata received a number of awards including the Padma Vibhushan in 1957, Daniel Guggenheim Medal for Aviation in 1988 and the United Nations Population Award in 1992. In 1992, he received India's highest civilization honor, the Bharat Ratna. Thank you.
Today's importance, October 2, International Day of Non-Violence. Happy 110th birth anniversary of Lal Bahadur Shastri. Now, order to the school news. Today, our school celebrated Gandhi Jayanti with an effective cleanliness drive. It provided all of us a sense of duty and honest. The Samiti members, Shema Samiti members, Matra Samiti members, teaching and non-teaching staff members are also participated.
Every year, we celebrate Mahatma Gandhi's birth anniversary on October 2nd to send across the message of peace and non-violence. Mahatma Gandhi, a pioneer of India's independence movement, is revered in the country and across the world for his philosophies towards life. Born as Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi in Porbandar, Gujarat, he is also known as the father of the nation. The United Nations declared October 2nd as International Day of Non-Violence on June 15, 2007. Several programs and cultural events are organized to pay homage to the father of the nation and spread his teachings. Many people also visit places dedicated to Mahatma Gandhi on this day, like Rajghat in Delhi, Mani Bhavan in Mumbai, and Sabarmati Ashram in Gujarat. His principles, Satya, truth, Ahimsa, non-violence, and Swaraj, self-rule, become the basis of several civil rights movements across the world. American civil rights activist Martin Luther King Jr. espoused the teachings of Mahatma Gandhi. King cited Mahatma Gandhi and his satyagraha or peaceful resistance for truth in many of his addresses.
After that, now watch the mind-blowing performance of our child prodigies.
Of you, I am Tirtha Prashad. English alphabets: A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Thank you.
Namaste, I am Sanjana. Welcome to today's class of pronunciation. The word is routine, routine. Ablutions, ablutions. Domestic chores, domestic chores. Throwing up dishes, throwing up dishes. Hoover, hoover. Walkies, walkies. Jogging, jogging. Exercise, exercise. Push up, push up. Squat up, squat up. Fitness, fitness. Fad, fad. Namaste.
That is all for today. See you tomorrow. Namaste.